Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have another of my weekly stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. Today I'm joining again the stamping Facebook group where we assign different themes throughout each month, and for this week the theme is presents. So I decided to jump in as Christmas is approaching and I would like to bring you some Christmas related nail art tutorials, at least up until Christmas. I hope you will like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to thumbs it up for me, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into this collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see, and if you do, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will leave for you all the pictures at the end of the video, and all the links to each of the nail art tutorials that are created for this collab will be linked in the description box, so please make sure that you check it out after you finished watching my video. And before I say goodbye to you guys today, I would like to wish happy holidays to all of you who celebrate Christmas, and also to all of you who don't. I believe this time of the year is all about love, and I would like to take a moment and say a big thank you to all of you who are supporting my channel, and it means a lot to me that you are still here, that you are hanging around and supporting me. It had been a great 4 years for me on YouTube, and I am still enjoying it, and it's thanks to you guys. So guys, thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.